I'm going to show you how to do this drop stitch and garter stitch pattern, which I've just knit a little cardigan for. So I'm going to show you how to knit this. I have 23 stitches on here. There are 2 stitches at the start and 2 stitches at the end, or just for the border, because this is a swatch I am doing in case I want to knit this in Aran anytime. This is Aran, and I'm using a 5mm hook. Sorry, a 5mm needle, not a hook. And I cast on 23 stitches, so there's actually 19 stitches for the pattern. It's in multiples of 5 plus 4 on the end. And I just knit 2 rows of garter stitch to start. It's nothing to do with the pattern. The 2 stitches at the start and the 2 stitches at the end, and these 2 rows that are done here are nothing to do with the pattern, are just to make the edge of the swatch. So I'm going to start it off with, I'm going to knit the first two border stitch patterns. That's nothing to do with the pattern. So that's knit those 2 first. Now the pattern is purl 1. This is the first row. Knit 2, purl 1, and the next stitch is a drop stitch, and we're not going to go through the stitch, we're going to go through the stitch below. That's why it's called the one below, a drop stitch. So you're knitting that one and dropping the other stitch off the needle. So it's purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit the stitch below the next stitch on the needle. Take that stitch off and drop the other stitch off. So that's purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, then into the stitch below, you're going to knit that stitch, drop that stitch and the one off the needle. Then it's purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, and just knit the last 2 stitches off the needle for the border. So that is the first stitch, the first row, sorry. The next row is knit the first 2 border stitches, and your next stitch is knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, and those stitches, the purl one in the middle is the stitch that you drop down on the other side, so that's always in between the 2 knit stitches there. Then you're going to purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, and knit the last 2 border stitches. So that is row 2 done. There is only 4 rows to the pattern, so the next row is row 3. We're going to knit the first 2 border stitches, and then we are going to purl 4 stitches, two, 3, 4, and then it's dropped down the next stitch. We knit below the stitch, knit that stitch, take that stitch and the one off the needle off, and then you're going to knit 4 stitches, sorry, purl 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 1 stitch below, knit that stitch, take that stitch and the one off the needle off, then it's purl 4 again, 3, 4. Now you're dropping the next stitch down again, so you're going to knit below, knit that stitch and take that stitch and the one off the needle off, then it's purl 4, and knit your last 2 stitches for the border. So that is the 3rd row, and you can see how the pattern is starting to take shape. On the last row, the 4th row of the pattern, is knit 2, and then knit 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Your next stitch is purl, which that stitch is the stitch there that you drop down. So that is that purl stitch. Knit 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4. Purl the next stitch, knit the next 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl your next stitch and knit the next 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then knit your last 2 border stitches. So that is the 4 rows to the pattern. As simple as that. Your first row is purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, drop down 1 stitch, then purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, drop down 1 stitch. That's easy. And then your second row is just the opposite of what you've done, is knit 2, knit 1, purl 2, which is always purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 2, so on. And then your next row is knit 2, purl 4, drop down 1 stitch, purl 4, drop down 1 stitch, and your 4th row is just knit 4, purl 1, knit 4, purl 1, and that's all it is to that pattern. It's quite simple and it is quite effective. So if you want to see more sometime, thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll show you other stitches sometime. So bye for now.